there's no money. I get these messages every day from like billions of marketers saying, I'm getting clicks, but I don't have any sales, okay? And people are like, how are all these people making all this money? Well, why? Why? Well, there's two reasons, and I'm gonna discuss with you the two reasons why you might be getting clicks but no sales. And there's two major reasons, and I'll dive into the sub reasons, but either they can't buy or they don't want to buy. And I will be outlining, if you're a marketer, this is a must-watch video because understanding why people are not buying from your clicks is a huge thing. So let's dive into that. We're gonna go into all the different sub-reasons in this and how you can fix them in this video. Let's get it. I mean, there's nothing worse than having a money gun that like doesn't shoot out any money, but we're gonna solve that, okay? So if you're wondering why you're getting clicks on your links, or ClickBank calls them hops, or other affiliate networks call them clicks, you know, whatever you wanna call them, but people are clicking on your posts or ads, but you're not making any money from it, I'm going to be discussing exactly why that may be happening. Okay, so the two major reasons that people are not buying is obviously they just physically can't, or they don't. Now, I remember when I got started in affiliate marketing, it was really hard. It was back in 2009. There wasn't a lot of instruction on how to do affiliate marketing. It's been kind of an underground industry until I really brought it out in the open in around 2015. I was one of the first people releasing training courses on how to do affiliate marketing. But when I got started in 2009, I was putting up ads, one of the first person to put up ads on Facebook, which in retrospect, I should have been a multimillionaire, but I just didn't know how to get it to work. I'd put up this ad and it just wouldn't, people would click on it and nobody would buy. And I just was scratching my head and I had no idea why. And it was so frustrating because, you know, I joined a CPA network, which was great. I was promoting really aggressive offers. I was direct linking, which was a big problem, but I was on Facebook. I was ahead of the curve in so many ways. I'd found the cutting edge of information on affiliate marketing. I'd really done my research, okay? I've always been a big reader. I've always been a big researcher. And I got to this point where I was just like, what's going on? I couldn't find any more information past what I'd already found, which is like CPA networks. And you know, at the time it was CPA networks. And then I was also doing Facebook ads, which was like super new. And it just didn't make any sense. I'm like, I'm doing what everybody says to do. CPA offers on Facebook. Why the heck am I not getting it to work? But there's nobody for me to really talk to because I hadn't really surrounded myself with a community of people that would give me that advice and just say, dude, you know, all it would have taken is like, dude, you have to use pre-sale pages, right? That's all it would have taken, is just going to a conference or just joining a forum like Stack That Money, just joining a training program like my 6-week course, just having somebody to say, dude, you didn't use pre-sale page. That's all I needed at the time. But I didn't have that. I didn't have any understanding, and I was so frustrated, and I was all alone, and I was broke, and I was angry, and I just couldn't get anything work. I didn't like college. I didn't like the jobs I was working, and nobody would tell me why. Now, this is one of the reasons why I'm a huge proponent of training programs and mentorships and going to conferences and going to events around affiliate marketing, because oftentimes when we've been working hard and we're frustrated and we're all alone, and if you're in the same boat as I was 10 years ago, type in I'm in the same boat, or just type in same boat in the comments below, or type in I was there or I am there, because that was really hard for me. I knew that I should probably be doing these things, but I didn't want to spend the money. I didn't have, you know, to travel to a conference or to join, you know, one of these forums, which cost about $100 a month. I was frustrated. In retrospect, I would have accelerated my success if I had just taken the leap and spent that $100 a month to join that affiliate marketing forum. If I had just spent that $1,000 to go to Las Vegas for the weekend and, you know, sign up for the affiliate marketing conference, if I had just spent that, you know, $2,000 to $5,000 to join that training program and get that mentorship, if I had really just stretched myself and gotten that extra advice, I would have made that last 5 yards, right? It's the last 5 yards when you're playing football that is the hardest. And it's that last 5 yards which you have to do on your own. I can show you everything. I can show you the door. I can show you almost everything, but it's your job to step through it. It's your job to carry it the last 5 yards. I cannot physically give you a step-by-step to make a sale. I can get you 99% of the way there, but I can't do it for you. So you have to figure out the last 1% in any business on your own. And if you're not willing to do that, you got to just unsubscribe for this channel, work a job, take some happy pills, and forget, about trying to be an entrepreneur, okay? So let's go into the reasons why people can't buy. So the reasons people can't buy is there's a few, right? So maybe they don't have a credit card, okay? They don't have a credit card to buy products online. Or whatever payment method, they don't have a payment method that works with the affiliate network. That's a bit more advanced, but if they don't have a credit card, they can't buy products online. And there's 7 billion people in the world, and most people in the world do not have credit cards, okay? If people are the wrong age, right? If you're trying to sell people a product and you're putting up ads that are showing to 13-year-olds, 13-year-olds can't buy products online, really. They don't have their own credit card. Once again, and that kind of goes back to this thing, is if you're putting up ads on YouTube and most of your ads are showing to 13-year-olds, most people on YouTube are 13 years old. And by the way, if we have any 13-year-olds, type in I'm a 13-year-old in the comments. If we have any people younger than 13 watching this video, let me know how old you are. I'd love to hear how old you are watching these videos and why you're watching them and why you're interested in business if you're so willing. It's kind of interesting to me. I didn't realize how many young people are on YouTube actually trying to learn how to make money. I think that's awesome. And I think that's amazing. And if you put your mind to it, you'll be a millionaire before you're 21 years old, seriously. If you're under 13 watching this and you stay focused, which is gonna be very hard for you, you have like hormones and all these kind of like emotions and stuff going on. But if you are 12 years old or 13 and you stay focused, you're gonna be so successful. Just don't let all those like emotions and hormones get in the way. Girls, all that stuff. Okay, so wrong age, another reason, wrong country, okay? So not all products, like ClickBank, for instance, they can't process payments from Nigeria. So even if you were advertising to rich people in Nigeria, and there are plenty of rich people in Nigeria. By the way, I love Africans, I love Nigerians, they just don't work with ClickBank. I don't own ClickBank, I'm not sponsored by ClickBank, whatever. So, but if you're advertising to people in Nigeria, they can't buy your product. So it's not that they don't want to buy, it's that they just can't buy. The next reason is quite obvious. If they just have no money, right? If somebody, maybe they have a credit card, they're in the right country, they're old enough. I mean, this isn't really a problem as long as you have a credit card of the wrong country. But if they actually just don't have the money to buy whatever product you're selling them. My training products start at $1,000. I'm releasing some cheaper ones sometime soon. But other products on ClickBank might cost $20 or $30 or $40 or $50. But if they don't have just enough money on their credit card or on their credit limit to buy it, you won't get the sale. So for products like mine, you want to target people that have money, right? If people are looking to start an online business, to learn from me, to learn in my 6-week training program about paid traffic methods, you need to have some money. And to do paid traffic, you also need to have money to advertise on Google or Facebook. And if there are any other reasons that you can think of why people just can't, physically can't buy something, let me know in the comments if I'm missing anything. Again, I want to make clear, this is a community. We're helping each other. This is the #1 money channel on YouTube for a reason. It's because we are helping each other make money. Now, don't buy. That's the other reason. They don't want to buy. They're not interested enough to make a purchase. Now, why would people not want to buy? Why would people not be interested in buying? Now, the first thing is we could start at the ad, okay? And we could say the ad messaging is incongruent, okay? Now, for instance, if you put up an ad that says, hey, check this out, free money, click here, okay? Great catchy headline, right? Everybody wants free money. But if somebody clicks that ad and then gets taken to my affiliate page says, register here for a training that will teach you how to create a 6-figure side income, right? It doesn't say free money, right? If somebody clicks a link for free money, they want free money. They don't want to sit through a training. Maybe they don't want to earn 6-figure income. They just want $100 to pay for food. They just want $500 to pay their rent bill today. that's due yesterday. So the ad messaging needs to be congruent. If you're putting up an ad or a post or a tweet or an Instagram or a comment or a YouTube video or whatever, and you are sending them to my link, which says, you know, sign up for this free training on how to start a business. Your message, your post, your comment, your YouTube video should say, hey, click on the link to sign up for a free training to learn how to start an internet business. Is this making sense? Okay. Free money goes to training, won't work. Doesn't matter how many people you send there. Doesn't matter how many clicks you get. You could get 1 million clicks, and people do this to my site, and they don't work. Because if they say free money in that, it's not going to work. Whereas if you say training, it's going to work a lot better. Okay? So if you say, sign up for a free training, learn how to make money online, and you send them to my page, free training, make money online, that will work far better than saying free money. Okay? So ad messaging is incongruent. Another reason is maybe they weren't pre-sold enough, okay? Or, you know, we would say not interested enough, okay? Now, the reason they wouldn't be interested is, let's say you're putting up a Google ad and you only have one sentence to say something. You know, free training, learn how to start an online business. And you're targeting people who are broke and homeless, okay? This broke, homeless person only has 1 hour a day, okay? Or maybe they have 1 hour a week to use a computer in their homeless shelter or something, right? Homeless people are watching my videos, and if you are homeless, by the way, type in homeless in the comments. I'd love to know what percentage of my people are homeless. It's kind of funny. But if you only have an hour a week to work on the computer in the homeless shelter, you can go through my entire training, and then you'd realize, oh, this takes more than a couple hours a week to actually do affiliate marketing. I'm going to need to use the computer more than an hour a week. So once again, you were kind of constrained. Your ad, you could only say so much in the ad. You couldn't tell people how long they'd need to actually work to implement the system. But once again, you could pre-sell them. You could use a pre-sell page. You could explain what the training goes over beforehand. And the more you can explain what the product includes and how the product works and all of that jazz within, before you ever send somebody to your affiliate link, the better, way better. And the reason is because then that person, once they click on your link, they know all there is to know about the product. Maybe they know the pricing, maybe they know how much time it takes, maybe they know everything they need to know. You're doing marketing, you're kind of selling, you're pre-selling them on the product so that then when they click on your link, they're already interested in buying. And this is one of the reasons why review blogs work so well. So when somebody searches for, let's say, John Crestani review or John Crestani product review, you see blogs. You see a lot of blogs that say, I reviewed John Crestani's products and here are my thoughts. And they'll write 10 pages. And just try Googling this. And you'll see a 10-page blog. You'll see blogs with just tons of words and images and information about my training courses. And those bloggers, they have the highest conversion rates of really anybody. I mean, it's hard to get ranked on SEO, but it's because that somebody, when they click on their link coming from that blog, they already have so much information. They're already very prepared and understand what the product is. They're just about to buy. Okay, so that's the magic. So make sure your ad messaging is congruent, and to fix this is use pre-sell pages. The way to get people more interested is use pre-sell pages. You know, a 10-page blog post is a lot, but that will get somebody, when somebody clicks on your affiliate link from the end of the blog post, they will be way more interested. Another way to do this without having a website is using Google Docs. So you could create a pre-sell page in Google Docs, and you can check out the resources below this video, johncrestani.com/resource. And if you look in the Facebook method or the Reddit method, you'll see there's a Google Doc pre-sell page that you can use and modify and use for your own, which will help pre-sell people who want to click on your links. So those are the two main reasons why you're getting clicks but zero sales, okay? Make sure the people understand why they're clicking on your link. Make sure people are prepared to go through the training. And the best thing for my affiliate program, for instance, is that it is a 1-hour training. So getting people prepared to watch a 1-hour training, you need to say, this is a 1-hour training. Make sure you are in a quiet place. Make sure you are on, you're not using your phone data. Make sure you're on a laptop or a computer, on a Wi-Fi connection. For people to really go through your affiliate links, they need to be on a Wi-Fi connection on a laptop or desktop computer. Get people prepared before they click on your link to come to my affiliate training program. And each affiliate program is different. Each affiliate program will have different requirements, but the more you can prepare them to go through the sales funnel of the affiliate link they click on, the better and the more money you'll make. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for specific ways to do free traffic, make sure you check out my free traffic methods playlist. I have a lot of methods in there for you to get traffic to your affiliate links and start affiliate marketing and start making money together. Again, I'm not here teaching you, I'm here trying to help us both make money, because the more money you make, the more money I make. So make sure you click subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Money Club. So once you subscribe, you can join the Money Club. It's $50 a month, and you get access to a lot more resources, a lot more trainings, and some specific preset training courses that I've put together. They're older ones. It's not my most recent super affiliate system. That's a much bigger investment. And also you get a lot of recognition on my channel. Look forward to talking with you in the future. And as always, go out and prosper. Take back control. Don't be a slave to the system. Quit your job and live free. Talk to you soon.